Hola! It's Spanish time. My name is Zlata and I will be your guide through this beautiful language among some other interesting things. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Buenas, ¿qué tal estáis? Espero que todo esté bien. Today we're going to learn 4 verbs that I consider important. So, let's get started. Vamos! All 4 verbs that we're learning today are actually irregular verbs. I know you would preferably want to start with regular verbs, but sometimes it is important to know one of the most used ones. So there are el verbo tener, which means to have, hacer, which means to do, ir, to go, and venir, to come. Let's get started again. El verbo tener. Yo tengo. I hope that you remember the personal pronouns. So, yo tengo, I have. Tú tienes. Él, ella tiene. Nosotros tenemos. Vosotros tenéis. Y ellos, ellas tienen. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. For example, yo tengo 24 años. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? I'm 24 years old. How old are you? I know this is not the perfect example for English speakers, but that's how we say our age in Spanish. Maybe some other example like tengo un hermano, I have a brother, or tengo un coche, I've got a car. The next one, el verbo hacer, to do. Yo hago, tú haces, él, ella hace, nosotros hacemos, vosotros hacéis y ellos, ellas hacen. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. For example, hago deporte or hago ejercicios, I'm doing sports or I'm exercising. Why as well is the verb hacer very good? Because basically almost any verb you can replace with hacer. For example, instead of saying estoy cocinando, I'm cooking, or estoy preparando la comida, I'm preparing the food, you can simply say hago la comida, estoy haciendo la comida, estoy haciendo el almuerzo, I'm doing the lunch, or whatever. So like almost with any verb, if you can't remember how to say it, you can always use hago and then, which is not super recommendable. You should actually really extend your vocabulary. I'm not gonna say in order to sound smart, but obviously if you are having diversity in your words, in your vocabulary, what you are saying is going to sound more nice and gonna drag more attention than if you were using only one word for everything. But for the beginning, this is very useful verb because it can substitute the other ones until you learn them. We're moving forward. Our next verb is ir, to go, and this is like super irregular verb. So, yo voy, tú vas, él, ella va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais y ellos, ellas van. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. What is interesting about this verb is that usually goes with a after it. Voy a la escuela, for example, I'm going to school. So it's followed by preposition a, towards direction. And the last one for today, venir, to come. Yo vengo, tú vienes, él, ella viene. Nosotros venimos, vosotros venís. Y ellos, ellas vienen. Vengo, vienes, viene. Venimos, venís, vienen. You do remember from our previous videos the example of coming from a country. For example, vengo de España, I am from Spain. You could also say, for example, vengo a las 8, I'm coming at 8 o'clock, etc., etc. So, tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, venís, vienen. Let me mix them a bit because there is a phrase which is Denerke, which means to have to do something. So I'm just gonna put some of these verbs together. For example, tengo que hacer algo muy importante hoy. I have to do something very important today. You are noticing that after tener que, another verb comes in infinitive. So tengo que hacer hoy. Tengo que ir a trabajo hoy. I have to go to work today. Let me give you a few more examples. ¿Tienes algunos planes para esta noche? Do you have any plans for tonight? ¿Qué haces esta noche? What are you doing tonight? ¿A dónde vas esta noche? Where are you going tonight? ¿Vienes esta noche? Are you coming tonight? Thank you for making time for Spanish time. I hope you enjoyed our little grammar lesson, and if you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I really hope to see you in my next video, so make time for Spanish time. Adios!